We call it shawarma, you call it gyros, and some people call it Doner Kebab. Either way, this easy grilled chicken recipe is simple and fantastic. It's super flavorful and great for tacos, or in this video, we will eat with pita bread, salad, and coleslaw. So let's make this hack shawarma slash gyro slash kebab that tastes better than your local restaurant. It's so easy to prepare and is made with just a few ingredients. Now, some of the original recipes call for using special sauce made from yogurt and spices, and some of them use ground meat and a rotisserie. But who has time for that or the money to buy all that equipment? Now, in my recipe, as always, I will make it easy peasy for you. I'm using taco seasoning and mayonnaise coleslaw. Keep an eye on my video for coleslaw recipe and check the description for the written full ingredients. Begin by marinating the chicken. I like to use thigh meat because in my opinion it tastes better. And then add chopped or minced garlic clove and lemon juice, and then taco seasoning. My favorite is hot and spicy from Old El Paso brand. As you know, I love spicy food. But if you don't like spicy, you can always use less or use the original seasoning mix. And then add 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Believe me, it will make the taste so much better. Mix together and add oil to reduce the meat sticking to the grill grates. Then leave it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the accompaniments. The original recipe uses tzatziki sauce, but I make this mayonnaise-based coleslaw and it tastes awesome. And I like to add lettuce, cucumbers, and tomato. Okay, now let's get the grill on a high heat and start cooking the chicken. Can you smell that? I smell awesome sauce and my mouth is watering. And when the chicken is done, warm up the pita bread and let's plate up. Start with the salad and coleslaw and the chicken. Add another pita bread on top and yum! Just eat your heart out because it's delicious and super flavorful. Want more spicy? Why not add sriracha? Okay guys, I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell icon. That way, you will get notified every time I release a new video. Remember, the coleslaw video is coming next. See you soon!